Tonight, we continue to follow a story we've really been digging into. The Hendry County Jail is reporting one new case of COVID-19 over the past week, but it brings the total to 35 positive inmates right now. It's a fairly small jail. On the outside, we're hearing from people who are worried about their loved ones' health and safety, and they want them released just for health reasons. Fox 4 reporter Rob Manch not only speaking with those family members in Hendry County, but also letting you hear from some of these inmates themselves.
Well, we've learned at least one man who tested positive for COVID-19 here at the Hendry County Jail became very sick over the past week. And the family members I spoke with today tell me they're worried the same thing could happen to their loved ones.
She's going to be aired tonight.
I met up with Alicia Bell as she spoke with her husband Ivan via video chat.
Is there people in there still sick like that?
Yeah. One of my friends, he got COVID-19, plus he got bowel clots and stuff.
Ivan tested positive for COVID-19, along with 34 of his fellow cellmates, according to the Hendry County Sheriff's Office. One of them got on the call and told us he's worried because he has asthma.
These nurses in here, they're not doing anything. The jail staff not doing anything. We're just like sitting ducks in here.
Their emotions is taking control of them. They're thinking that they're going to die in there. They're thinking that, worst case scenario, because they're not getting any help.
Over at the jail, I met Maria Menendez. She came to ask about the status of her son.
I'm afraid for him, and he's afraid for his own life.
Menendez says she's convinced if the jail had been doing its job, her son wouldn't have COVID-19.
I had taken him to the doctor, and he tested negative. And now, after 6-7 months, all of a sudden, he tested positive for COVID-19.
The Hendry County Sheriff's Office responded to us saying it followed every protocol it could. It's isolated the positive inmates away from the rest of the jail population, and it says a nurse is available if anyone shows symptoms. But for Bell, that's not good enough.
Freedom. Let them go. I don't want my husband to die in jail.
But the Sheriff's Office tells me it doesn't have the authority to just free an inmate. It says only a judge can do that. It's called a compassionate release, and the department says it's only done when an inmate is very sick. The inmate that had serious symptoms over the past week has been convicted of murder and wasn't eligible for that kind of release. In LaBelle, Rob Manch, Fox 4.